Okay, we're back on to the work tables that we're going to make. Hi, Eva. So I pulled out some strips that I have, and they're mainly aspen or poplar. And I went through them and pulled out the ones that are kind of crooked, because you wouldn't think it matters that much, but the thing is, just a little bit off will throw things off. And even though it's only a work table, it's just not worth it. I want it to turn out nice anyways. So I'm going to pull these off. Pulled them out of the pile. And they're going to be good kindling wood. So now I'm going to do is take about 4 of these at a time and run them through the planer this way. That way I can get them all to the same thickness, or width. I'm sorry, width. I'll run them through a couple times on each side, get them down, and then I'll have them all the same width, because they're all very close anyway. Sometimes if there's a difference, I'll separate them into different piles, but these are all so close. So we'll get them all even, and then we can get the legs back up on the table here. Right here is where we started. And we'll make a second set. Maybe even 3 sets of legs. I'd kind of like 2 tables right off the start. So I may even just start building 2 at the same time. Sometimes it's easier to just, if you're going to do multiples, just do them at the same together. Okay, so I'll probably need more lumber, but this will be enough to get me going for now. Pick up some more tonight probably. And keep going on this workbench, or workbenches.